Good morning, students. Welcome to the English class. Today we'll read the poem Alex the Alley Cat. Alex is a stray cat that roams about in the alley. Alley, a narrow lane. Let's see what happens to this cat. Alex the alley cat had no home. He was left out on the street to roam. Nobody ever seemed to care. How could poor Alex out there? Alex, alley cat, he has no home. उसकी अपनी देखरेख करने वाला कोई नहीं था. उसके पास अपना कोई घर नहीं था. He was left out in the street to roam. He was always roaming in the street. वो हमेशा स्ट्रीट पे, सड़कों पे, गलियों पे भटकता रहता था. Because there was nobody to take care about him. He seemed so grumpy every day. He never smiled or liked to play. When others came, he ran away. Life was not easy as a stray. He seemed so grumpy every day. Here it means वो हमेशा he looks like in a anger, हमेशा गुस्से में रहता था. And he had never smiled on his face. कभी वो हंसता नहीं था. He never liked to play. कभी उसको खेलना भी पसंद नहीं था. When others came, he ran away. अगर कोई उसके करीब भी आता तो वो दूर भाग जाता था. And life was not easy as stray. Stray dog होना, it was not that easy. Poor Alex slept out on the ground. Perhaps that's why he always frowned. He wished his life would turn about, but loneliness was all he found. बेचारा Alex, he used to sleep on the ground. उसे हमेशा ज़मीन पे सोना पड़ता था. And that's why he was always frowned. इसीलिए वो हमेशा गुस्से में चिढ़ा हुआ रहता था. He wished his life was turned around. वो भी चाहता था कि उसकी लाइफ चेंज हो. Like others, pet cat, वो भी उसके पास भी अच्छे से ओनर्स हों और उसकी केयर करने वाला कोई हो. But loneliness was all he found. लेकिन उसको ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं मिला. He was all alone. But one day Alex found a friend. His loneliness had reached its end. She cared for him and held him near. She warmed his heart with love and cheer. लेकिन what happened one day? Alex found a friend. Alex को एक friend मिल गया. And his loveliness, this is loneliness, had reached its end. और उसका जो अकेलापन था, loneliness था, now it came to an end. अब खत्म हो गया था. She cared for him and held him near. उस फ्रेंड ने उसको बहुत ही प्यार से देख रेख किया, उसके पास आई. एंड शी वार्म्ड हिज हार्ट विद लव एंड cheer. और एक न्यू फ्रेंड, ऐसा केयरिंग फ्रेंड मिलने के बाद शी वार्म्ड हिज हार्ट, और उसके जो मन में गुस्सा था, जो नफ़रत थी, एंड इट वॉज फिल्ड विद लव एंड cheer. नाउ द कैट वॉज फिल्ड विद लव एंड the cat was very happy now to find a friend. She gave him food and kept us warm and made sure that he was safe from harm. She rocked him in a brown chair and treated him with love and care. She gave him food. उसने उसे खाने के लिए बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें दी. उसे she gave him a blanket to keep him warm. सर्दी से बचाया. She gave him warm blanket and she made him safe from other stray cats. She brought that cat at her home. वो उसको अपने घर लेके आई, वहाँ उसने केयर किया. She rocked him in a big brown chair. She was having a big brown rocking chair in her home. तो उसने वहाँ पे उस cat को बिठाया and she treated him with love and care. उसने उसको बहुत ही प्यार से रखा. No longer was he cold and scared. He had found someone who really cared. A friendship made him kind, not wild. He often poured, always smiled. अब no longer was he cold and scared. अब न तो वो डरा हुआ था और ना उसे अब सर्दी लग रही थी. Because he was in a safe hand. Because she has found a new lovely friend. He had found someone who really cared. A friendship made him kind, not wild. और उस फ्रेंडशिप से he has totally changed. Now he was kind. Earlier he was very angry, बहुत गुस्सा आता था. He was always in a bad temper, but now he was not wild anymore. He often would always smile, और वो हमेशा अपनी cat की जो voice होती है purr, he was always purring just because of the happiness. A little kindness changes things. What happiness and joy brings. When somebody is sad and blue, do something kind to help them through. A little kindness, थोड़ी सी भी अगर हम kindness दिखाते हैं, it can change the thing. The things can be changed through our kindness. What happiness and joy it brings. क्योंकि अगर हम, if we show some kindness to any person, any creature, any animal, it can change the way the cat was changed. And it can bring the happiness to that person. वो खुशी लेकर आता है. Person is now totally changed. Somebody is sad and blue. अगर कोई नाराज़ है, अगर कोई उदास है, somebody is in very bad mood, तो you should do some kind thing to help him through. तो हमें कुछ अच्छा करना चाहिए जिससे कि we can bring some change in that person or animal. So, children, what we have learned, this poem is about, it was about Alex, that was a stray cat which was roaming all about the alley, and it was in a cold and hungry. Hans always ill-tempered. That is why it was always ill-tempered. And one day Alex finds a kind-hearted girl who became her friend, who took it home, and she fed him and put a blanket over it and took loving care of him. The poor cat began to smile and purr because it was loved and looked after by a kind friend. So, it was written by Wes Fessler. Thank you, children.